What? After watching the movie Fifth Element, I was like totally convinced that by 2022 we will have a device that could automatically do our makeup. But instead, what do we get? We are now using kitchen utensils to do our makeup? Well, surely TikTok is a weird place. But since they're trying it, I am just waiting to try it by myself. Hi everyone, my name is Veda and welcome back to my YouTube channel The Real Queen V, and today we are going to try TikTok hacks. So today I'm going to be doing a cut crease eyeshadow using
a spoon.
which spoon should I use? This one or this one? I really cannot figure out. Let me see the video again. Oh, she's using this spoon, so this one goes off. At first, I'm going to prime my face using Insight Primer. If you want really good products at affordable price, then I would recommend you go for Insight Cosmetics. I don't know if this makeup is going to be a total disaster, but doing a good skin prep is always required before doing the makeup. I want to keep the foundation really light today, so I'm using Lakme 925 Weightless Mousse Foundation. There are plenty of ways by which this makeup could go horribly wrong. Now I'm applying the concealer from Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. I'm gonna contour my face using Insight Cosmetics Duo Stick. Now I'm going to apply Lakme Rose Powder using a beauty blender. The eyeshadow palettes which I'm planning to use today are Angel Rose Eyeshadow Play and Makeup Revolution Constellation Palette. As I'm wearing this green top today, which is bought from Myntra by the way, and it is a A-line top with halter neck shoulders. If you have broad shoulders like mine, then this top will look really good on you. So since I'm wearing this green top, so I'm going to apply some green eyeshadows. I'm going to take an angular brush. Okay, now she took a round brush, but I'm going to take an angular brush so that I can draw a straight line with the spoon. I haven't done my eyebrows yet because I have to wipe it down a couple of times, so my eyebrows could get totally ruined. So I have planned that I'm going to do my eyebrows after doing the eyeshadow today. Okay, how did she do this? This seems difficult. Should I apply it right here like this? Okay, this feels so weird and really unhygienic. Like I'm never gonna use this spoon for eating again. Oh my god. Okay, here goes nothing. Oh,
This looks bad.
this looks really bad. So
Time to wipe it off.
I knew from the beginning this is gonna be really bad, but still gave it a try. So I have to apply foundation and powder here again.
A few moments later.
Take two. I'm gonna do it again. I hope I won't ruin anything this time. Can't believe I'm doing this.
Oh God.
Okay, okay. Take two. Here goes nothing. Oh. Okay. This actually could be fixed. I can just blend this part. It's going to be like a half cut crease or something, and I'm gonna blend this part as well. And well, this is not bad actually. So now take the edge and do as she did. Okay, right there. Okay. Oh, the edge is actually looking really good. Okay, I'm not gonna apply much because I have seen what happens if I apply much. Okay, this looks good. What is this dropping? Oh my god. Oh my god. So the residue on this spoon is stuck on the bottom of my eyes.
This is a nightmare.
I'm intensifying this a bit. Oh god, protect me. I cannot trust this thing anymore. You know, I draw better with my hands. I draw better cut crease just using these brushes. I don't even need a concealer for that. I'm going to apply for you with a black color to make it more intense. Now there is a lot of dropping in there, so I'm just going to wipe this place like this. That does. Some of the concealer is also coming out with this dropping. Oh, this is a nightmare.
This is a total makeup nightmare.
Apply a little more concealer. Okay, so I have to redo the bottom of my eyes again, and now I am going to do my eyebrows. After all of these horrors, I'm going to fill this middle part using a bronze eyeshadow. Actually isn't looking that bad after applying this bronze eyeshadow. Let's see how it looks after applying the eyeliner. I'm applying the blusher from Sugar Cosmetics Contour de Force, and the color is 04 Salmon Superstar. Now applying the highlighter, which is from Wet n White Mega Glow Highlighter. Wearing lip liner, I have decided to overdraw my lips today. Now applying Intensify lip color, which is from Studio West. This product is really dry. It works really well under mask, and if you want to wear it all day long in your work office, I will definitely recommend this one. Now I'm going to finish rest of the eye makeup and try to salvage whatever I can to make this look looks better. I'm curling my lashes now using Vega Lash Curler. And now applying the mascara from Maybelline New York, the Colossal Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. I'm going to wear the magnetic eyeliner with magnetic eyelashes, which is from Kalalis. Oh, so this is how I'm looking after wearing the eyelashes. Now I'm going to fix my hair a bit and I'm going to wear some accessories. So there you go. This is my final look for today. Truth to be told, this hack is not that bad. The only reason he didn't work out that well on me because I have hooded eyes, and the girl who is showing the makeup tutorial, she doesn't have hooded eyes, so the spoon fit perfectly on her eyes. If you want to try this hack and if you do not have hooded eyes, then you can go and try it. So I will give this hack a 5 out of 10. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Real Queen V. Bye guys, see you next time.